The seasonings that you will need is black pepper, chicken seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and breadcrumbs. Next, let's tenderize our chicken for a few seconds on each side. Now it's time to season our chicken. You add salt, paprika, black pepper, and garlic powder. And make sure to flip your chicken over and season the other side. And make sure to give your chicken a good rub to blend all your seasonings together. Now it's time to season our breadcrumbs. I used 1 tablespoon of the chicken flavor seasoning and gave it a good mix. Now it's time to bread our chicken. I did skip the step with the egg. I find that my breadcrumbs stick fine without it. Next, let's fry. Add oil to a pan, bring your heat to medium, and add in your chicken. And you want to fry your chicken until both sides are golden brown and your chicken is done. Here's an easy, delicious Chipotle dipping sauce that goes really well with this chicken. Hopefully you like it too. I'm using 1/3 cup of Chipotle sauce, 1/2 cup of sour cream, a half of a lime, and some salt, and mix everything together. And now you have one easy, delicious meal. Add some rice and salad, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching this recipe. Give it a thumbs up, share this video, and
subscribe. Hit the bell.